Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Victoria Monét here with On My Mama. A cool song here with a very clear bass going on here. So we'll look at that. We have three different grips, so to speak, with some middle notes in between. So yeah, let's take a look at this one. We don't need any capo for this, okay? And we'll go with E minor, A minor, and B. So the E minor is open E, second A, and second D. That's all you need for this song because we're gonna stick with the bass strings here. Okay, so that's the E minor. Then we have the A minor. You don't have to bar that actually. It's usually a bar chord here if you play it up here, but you just need, like I said, the bass strings here for this one. So that will be 5th on A, 7th on A, sorry, 5th on E, 7th on A, and 7th on D. And then we have the B finally. You take the same grip and move it 2 frets towards your body to the 7th position here, 7th on E, 9 on A, and 9 on D. So the grips will be E minor, A minor, and B. All right. So we're gonna play the E minor, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so. And then this part. So down, up, clap, down, up, clap. And then comes the 3rd on E, 4th on E, and that is the transition notes to the next chord. So E minor, down, up, clap, and then 3rd and 4th E. What I do here, I slide, so I just pick the 3rd E, and then I slide up to 4th, and I'm then ready for the next chord, which is now the A minor. You're gonna use the same principle here. Down, up, clap, clap. So. And then you're gonna play the transition notes here, which is on the 5th E string, and then 6th E string, okay? So I again slide like this, from 5th to 6th, and then I'm ready for the B grip here, which comes next here. We are now on the 7th position here, and you're gonna play down, up, clap, clap. Same again, so. And then you're gonna play these notes here. You go back to the 5th position here on the E string, and then 7th on E, 8th on E, and back to 7 on E. Okay, so, and then clap, and then you hit 1 down on the A chord, then clap, and then you're gonna play on this A string, this part from 3rd A, slide up to 5th A, like this. So the final part was there from the B, was the same kind of strumming, down, up, clap, clap, and then you slide back to this A position here, play the notes 5th E, 7th E, 8th E, back to 7th E, clap, and then 1 down on the A minor chord, clap, and then 3rd to 5th on A. So this final B part was. All right. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna take you through this a little bit slower than standard tempo so you really can hear what's going on here. So let's go from E minor. right? And I actually think that was pretty much very close to the standard tempo. I think you got this one. 3 chords with some cool bass notes in between there. Good luck with this one, guys, on my mama. And till next time, play tuned.